Assalamu alaikum. Our application is actually a web-based application and is actually an image search engine. What it actually does is it finds the images in its dataset that are similar to the query image. Okay, instead of writing queries in the search bar, we actually give an input image as a query in it. That's why it's called image search engine. And then the app finds similar images in its dataset and retrieves those. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so whenever we give any image, it actually searches for the similar images in its dataset and give those as a result. So what is actually happening here? Okay, well, this can be understood by this graph. Okay, so what actually happens here is the features are extracted. By features, I mean color, shape, and size to be more specific. Those are extracted from the input image, and every other image in the dataset is searched and checked that whether it contains the same features or not, and then the result is generated. So basically what will happen here, whenever we give a query image, the features would be extracted from that image and those features would be searched in the images in the dataset. And then the feature matching process will happen, that if the features in the images in the dataset are same as the features in the image of the query image, and if they will be same, the result image would be retrieved, which in this case are these. Let's take one more example. Let's take this image and proceed. So why do we need this? We need this because at times we don't really know the name of the thing that we are searching for. For example, if I am searching for this, I don't know what this animal is called. So instead of writing random words, I can simply use an image. So I won't get any random result. If I'll use the image, the features will be extracted and then I'll get the result similar to that image only. So yeah, that's all for the image retrieval thing. And then we have this contact page. In this page, obviously, if any issues are there in using the app, the users can simply contact us, send an email to us, we'll receive the email, and then we have this about page in which our information is there, and then we already know the home page. That's all. Thank you.